Passion can fuel change if you're ready to take on a challenge. The power of will and a good mentor to get you started can help you achieve something priceless. Mastercard wanted to inspire action and lead by example. So we chose the one passion loved by everyone, food, and challenged an influential Slovenian vlogger to become a chef's apprentice and win an invitation onto sacred ground, the chef's kitchen. Chef's challenges turned up the heat of every culinary vlog and gave the apprentice the means and the freedom to solve them creatively. Allowing him to entertain his audience and stay authentic down to the last pressure test of cooking live for his most passionate fans in Chef's Kitchen. The campaign inspired home cooks, food critics and foodies who engaged with the apprentice on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, catching the attention of 25% of daily social media users in Slovenia and increasing Mastercard's website traffic, top of mind and brand preference. It stirred interest in online and print media and went viral with organic cross-promotion from merchant partners, whose benefits were part of the apprentice's journey. Start something priceless is a call to action at a time when people expect actions, not just ads. And that's why Chef's Apprentice is a call to those who are willing to take charge and follow their passion.